Doing 10 pull-ups every day is a challenging but really good way to make your upper body stronger and look better. In this video, I'll show you how to do pull-ups, which muscles they work, and what happens when you do them every day. So, keep watching to find out more. Let's get started! Pull-ups have some really good benefits. They make your arm and shoulder muscles stronger. When you do pull-ups often, your forearms and shoulders get a good workout. Pull-ups also make your upper body strong and improve your grip, which is super useful for lifting weights and even for sports like rock climbing. They're a key part of strength training, which helps build muscles, keep your bones healthy, and take care of your heart and overall health when done right. Pull-ups are pretty awesome for your body. What muscles do pull-up work? When you do pull-ups, you're using a lot of muscles in your upper body. The main muscle getting a good workout is the latissimus, which is the big one in your upper back. It helps bring your shoulder toward your body and pull your arms back, and it can also rotate them inwards. Then there are the trapezius muscles, which help move your shoulder blades and support your arms. The erector spinae muscles run along your spine and help with the pull-ups too. The infraspinatus muscle, located on your shoulder blade, helps with extending your shoulder, depending on how you do pull-ups and your grip. Other muscles like the triceps, deltoid, teres major, brachioradialis, biceps, and pectorals can also join in and work indirectly. So, pull-ups work a bunch of muscles in your upper body. Proper form of pull-ups. The first step in doing pull-ups correctly is to stretch out your muscles, tendons, and joints in preparation. Here's how to do it. Grab the bar with your hands in the classic overhand grip and hang from it with your arms straight, about shoulder width apart. Lift your chin toward the bar by bending your arms. Ideally, your upper chest should touch the bar. Stay in this position for about 1 to 1.5 seconds. Then slowly lower your body down while keeping it under control. Make sure your body doesn't wiggle or twist during the exercise. And don't use any extra help or movement. Doing pull-ups this way will help you get the most out of the exercise. Pull-ups advice for beginners. If you're new to pull-ups, here are some tips to help you get started. When you do pull-ups, go slow and make sure you're always in control of your movements. Keep your body muscles tight during the exercise. This helps you stay strong and safe. Try not to twist or wiggle your body while doing pull-ups. Keep it steady. Don't begin the next pull-up until your arms are fully straight again. With the right approach, anyone can learn to do pull-ups and get stronger. If you're new to pull-ups, this advice is for you. It's important to be safe and make sure you're healthy to do them. Before you start, check if you have any health issues or hidden injuries that could be a problem when doing pull-ups. For beginners, you can start with some basic exercises to get ready for pull-ups. Try hanging from the bar for around 10 seconds. As you get stronger, increase the time you hang, and this will help your arm and back muscles get ready for regular pull-ups. If you're at a gym, you can use an assisted pull-up machine or special equipment to make it easier. Another good way to get ready for pull-ups is to use a stretchy band that helps lift your body with less effort. You can also practice on a low bar with your feet on the ground. This works different muscles like your biceps, shoulders, forearms, and even your psoas muscle. When you learn different ways to do pull-ups, you'll build strong muscles in your upper body. These muscles will boost your confidence when you try other tough exercises with weights. So, keep practicing and stay safe. See you in the next video!